Today I'm going to show you the one camping treat that no one will expect for you to make while you're up camping. So stay tuned. Hi, thanks for joining me today. Today we are making ice cream while we're up camping. You know, ice cream isn't usually a treat that you take up when you go camping because it's too hard to keep frozen. But I've got a fun and easy way to make homemade ice cream that's also a really fun activity for the entire family. So, hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our channel is about all things camping. Whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So, let's get started. 5-minute, easy, homemade ice cream. So what you'll need is some ice, sugar, vanilla, some heavy cream, whole milk, some storage gallon bags, some rock salt, or this is ice cream salt, and then I've just got a few toppings. So now we're going to take a gallon-sized bag and kind of open it up and take a cup of our whole milk. And then a cup of the heavy cream. And then a half a cup of sugar. We'll just mix that up real good. You know, this is so fun because the entire family can make their own serving of ice cream. And I'm just going to be making some vanilla today, but you could add some strawberries, you could add some chocolate syrup, so many different ways to make this. Now I'm going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla. Once again, mix that in, and then we're just going to kind of squeeze the air out, get as much air out, and then seal it up. Now you want to make sure you seal it good because we're going to be shaking this quite a bit. We'll just set that aside for now. We're going to take another gallon-sized bag, and we're going to put about half of the bag full with ice. So I'm thinking, oh, I don't know, maybe 6 cups, 8 cups. I just kind of eyeball it to get about half the bag full. Now we are going to add 1 cup of rock salt. Now, Morton actually puts out an ice cream salt, so that's what we're using today. It's the same as rock salt. And we're gonna put that in, kind of shake it up. Now we'll take our bag of the ice cream mixture and put it down in there. And then I'm going to cover it with about 4 more cups of the ice. Okay, so our bag's getting full. Add about a half a cup more of the rock salt. Oops. Okay, we're ready. Now make sure you're using a good heavy-duty gallon-sized storage bag because we're gonna shake this a lot. So here's where the fun part comes in. You'll take your bag and you're just going to shake it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now that sounds like a lot, but you can make it fun. Now this gets really, really cold, and so what I have found helps is to wrap your gallon-sized bag in a towel so it's not quite so cold. So we've got our bag and we're just gonna shake. So once again, 5 to 7 minutes of just shaking. So the reason this works is the salt lowers the melting point of the ice, which makes everything much colder, and that's how it turns to ice cream. Okay, so as you can see, most of the ice is melted while we were shaking it. Set that aside, and okay, here's the test. Ooh, it looks so yummy. Now, the less shaking, the more soft serve ice cream you can get. I've got it to more of a hard stage here. But look how that's coming out. Isn't that fun? Okay, now we're gonna add some sprinkles. Ooh, yummy. And I brought along just some peanut butter M&Ms. Add a few little gummy bears. What a treat. And like I said, you can add anything, some fresh fruit, some chocolate syrup, anything is great. Oh, it's wonderful. Whoever said you can't have ice cream while camping? So delicious. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you got some value out of it, give me a big thumbs up. We'd also love to have you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.